Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'm going to be making some amazing old school easy cornbread dressing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Watch all the way to the end. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment below and let me know what you think. So we're going to make a quick and easy stock. This is just some random pieces of chicken, leg quarters in the back of the chicken. I'm going to add some garlic, a habanero, lots and lots of scallions. This is not even traditional, but it's what I had in my fridge. I'm moving, so I'm basically just cleaning my fridge out. If whatever you got in your fridge, throw it in your stock. And this is what it looks like after 20 minutes. I didn't add salt to it because, you know, you don't want to add salt because you want to be able to control the seasoning in your food yourself. I'm going to turn it off after about another 10-15 minutes and set it to the side. So I know this looks like a whole lot of butter, and it is, but we're going to saute down a whole bunch of vegetables, the peppers, the onions, just like this. This is what we're going to season the cornbread with. The cornbread I'm using is a cornbread I made the other day, like I think it's a month now since that video's been out, and it's been in my freezer. So I'll make sure I list that below. I seasoned this with some dried thyme, some salt and pepper, and that's it. This step is done. And I cooked this down for about 10-15 minutes. Alright, so now we're about to assemble. Back there I have my eggs, pepper, my poultry seasoning. If you don't have poultry seasoning, you can use ground sage. I have my chicken right here. I took it off the bone. Also reserved my stock. This is the cornbread right here. And like I said, it was frozen in my freezer for like a month now. So I'm just going to break it up with my hands. Just like, this is the easiest way to me anyway to break it up. A fork wouldn't work for me. I don't know. Maybe I don't have the patience, y'all. Y'all know I'm impatient. But I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper. And we're just going to start adding everything in. However, guys, don't forget to taste this for seasoning or however you want it before you add the eggs. You have to taste it. See, I'm adding everything else except for the eggs. Because I need to taste it, y'all. You don't want your food tasting all bland and nasty. Make sure you taste it before you add your eggs. Alright, so 45 minutes later, this is what it looks like. While that cools down, we're going to work on a gravy. So this is butter and flour. Now I'm going to cook my flour a little longer than usual because I want it to develop a light brown color so the gravy can be darker, and this is what it looks like. So then you're going to add the stock we made earlier. I strained it, you know, that's why you don't see the pieces in it, but I strained it. And now just add the rest of your chicken. As you know, we only added half earlier. Season this to your preference. I'm using Spicy Girl, which is my spice, as well as some black pepper. And that's pretty much it. But again, season your gravy however you want to. This gravy is super simple and super delicious because of the amazing stock that we made. So now I'm just going to plate it up, let you guys see what it looks like, as well as tell you what I think about it. y'all. I'm gonna taste a little bit just for right now because it ain't dinner time yet. First of all, I just love how, because I don't like mine mushy and soggy. I like it kind of solid like this. That's how I like it. And it's not dry. It's perfectly cooked. Look how, and this gravy is everything. Look at that, y'all. Baby.